Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at White Kingsland, and welcome to 44 Western Springs Road. This superb family home is located right on the cusp of Fouts Park in Western Springs. Basking in glorious all-day sun, it's an expansive and contemporary home. Built in the 1990s, the recent renovations have well and truly transformed it into a 21st century sanctuary. The superbly versatile floor area of over 200 square metres ensures there's space for everybody to spread out or escape, and storage will certainly never be a concern again. The sprawling living flows to dining and to the super stylish entertainer's kitchen, whether it's casual family dining or bigger gatherings of the whole clan. Step outside and soak up the sunny spectacle that awaits. It's the perfect place to play host. Creative and meticulous landscaping has created a remarkable retreat. No need for overseas holidays when you've got your own resort hideaway at home. This home literally delivers on every level, so make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and book a private viewing. We look forward to seeing you here.